Hi, I'm Ruminoli and this is ICT 761 Business Analytics and Business Intelligence. Today I'll be demonstrating how I used Excel to analyze employee data for business intelligence. I worked with a combined data set that includes employee details such as department salary, performance, tenure, and attrition, which was available in Moodle. My goal was to uncover insights that can help understand employee behavior and support HR decisions. So, first what I did, I started merging data into dataset by using Power Query tool, and then I cleaned the data and formatted it to make it ready for the analysis. So I have created pivot tables and slicers. So for the pivot table, which we can see, this is the pivot table 1. This pivot table consists of employees by department and attrition filtered by gender and promotion. It shows which department have more employees leaving with slicers, and I can filter by gender and promotion status to see specific patterns. As we can see the difference. Similarly, I have pivot table 2. So for the pivot table 2, average salary by department and promotion status. This helps us to compare salary levels across departments and see the impact of promotions. The slicer let us explore by education level, like depending upon the education level we can see the salary difference. And so similarly, pivot table 3, we have average performance rating segmented by education level and gender. And similarly, pivot table 4, we have pie chart and the total bonus by marital status and attrition. And this table reveals bonus distribution, whether there is a pattern based on who stays or leaves. And last pivot table I have used is that training hour by job role and attrition. Here we can see which role gets more training and whether the training is linked to retention. So each pivot table includes an appropriate chart and slicers to explore the data interactively. So for the correlation analysis, I created correlation matrix using the correlation formula function to analyze numeric relationship. I included salary, performance rating, bonus, training hours, and trainer. And then I applied heat map using conditional formatting, and we can see the red ones are the negative one and the white ones are the neutral. And so for the regression analysis, so this is the regression analysis data that I have obtained from the master data, and here is the calculation shown. Sorry, my bad. So this is the regression which we can see the summary output here. And I have also tried to predict salary based on performance, training hour, and tenure, which I have said. And the performance and tenure were statistically significant but had negative coefficient, which was unexpected. And so for the I have also created a comparison between salary versus tenure and salary versus performance rating. So lastly, what I want to say is that throughout the workbook I used slicers, clean color formatting, and tried to make it as user friendly as I could. And I also structured each sheet logically and added labels and notes where needed. So in conclusion, this Excel project helped me to apply data analysis techniques like pivot tables, correlation, regression, and visualization to real world HR data. And I discovered trends in attrition, training, and salary that can guide me to for the better decision making and going forward. And more advanced modeling with additional variables could improve salary prediction. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching my demonstration.